Hi, I'm Erin at Hello Divorce. In this video, I'll walk you through each step of your DIY Plus membership. We know your life is full and you are busy. Our goal is to make your divorce as convenient and streamlined as possible. Divorce is a process, not a sprint. We have to file your documents at different intervals. That being said, you can complete the paperwork early on if that's easier for you, and we will process the documents per court rules. You will be completing 3 guided online interviews, one for each step of the divorce process. Step 1 is the petition, or the response if your spouse already filed a divorce petition. Once you finish the online interview in step 1, email us the forms and we will introduce you to your legal document assistant, who will review all of the documents to ensure that they are ready to file, compliant with state and local rules. If a local form is required in your county, we will prepare it for you. We will then arrange for your signature and send your initial documents to the court for filing. Prior to filing, we will invoice you for the court filing fee. Next step will be to coordinate proper service or delivery of your documents to your spouse. Once the documents have been served, the waiting period begins. A form called Proof of Service will also be filed to complete step 1. Step 2 are the financial disclosures. Your filed petition has a case number that can be used for step 2. As you complete the interview, do your best to include not only all of your assets and debts, but to the extent you know your spouse's, enter that too. You are also welcome to work together on this step if you prefer. You'll be asked to upload documents relating to your assets and debts. If you would like to redact any sensitive information, such as your social security number or full account numbers, please do so before uploading your documents. Once you've completed this step and your legal assistant has received them, she will mail them to your spouse and file the appropriate forms with the court. Note, your spouse doesn't have to file a response, but if they do, they must also complete this step either through our software or on their own. Step 3 is the judgment, sometimes called stipulated judgment or marital settlement agreement. To complete this step, you and your spouse will need to have an agreement on all substantive issues, like property and debt division, child support, or whether spousal support will be paid and for how much, and a parenting plan. If you are having trouble reaching an agreement, let us know, and we can help with an upgrade to a different plan or a referral partner mediator who is familiar with the Hello Divorce process. Don't forget to check out all of our resources. We've got everything from negotiating tips to parenting plan worksheets. Once you complete the guided interview in step 3, your legal assistant will compile the judgment package and send it to court with self-addressed stamped envelopes. You'll know you're divorced when you receive your judgment back, this time stamped by the court. This DIY plan does not include any legal advice. If you would like a lawyer to review, advise, or determine whether or not the court will likely approve your paperwork, you may purchase legal coaching in increments as small as 30 minutes. Our goal is to provide you exactly with what you need when you need it, and not to assume that you want help from a lawyer unless you ask for it. That being said, lawyers are standing by to jump in should you need some extra help along the way. Note that sometimes the court will reject your judgment and ask for additional information. Usually it's an easy fix, but we will let you know if we think you should consult with an attorney. As you complete the divorce process, all of your filed documents will be uploaded to a secure server and shared with you. We are excited to help you navigate this step of your life so that you can move on in good conscience with all of your ducks in a row. If you stay on task, your divorce should be completed within California's 6-month waiting period. There are exceptions, primarily because of court delays, but most of our DIY Plus members are completing their divorce right around the 6-month mark. We know that there's an awesome next chapter that awaits you. Let us know if you have any questions along the way. We're here if you need us. Looking forward to connecting soon.